Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about CISCO Internship. If you want to read about the internship details, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for CISCO Internship 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information at one place itself. Join us through Telegram and get regular job updates. Link in the description box. The internship is for Customer Success Specialist. The location is in Bangalore, India, and here they have given job ID. The area of interest is customer experience. This is an internship basis. Now, for this, the candidate requirement is as follows. The candidate should be a recent graduate or on your final year studies in your bachelor's or your master's in technical fields such as networking, computer science, information technology, electrical computer engineering, or anything which is relevant to the similar field. Minimum CGPA required is 8.5 or above, and requirement for 2022 passed out candidates is fluency in English, verbal and written as well. Passionate about networking, information technology, or computer science is required. You should also have strong analytical and problem solving skills and anything which is related to technical issues. And student or candidate have to also have the ability to multitask and work in a fast-paced team environment and the ability to work independently. So all of these updates you can see in the official website itself. Moving on to the application procedure. So as you can see in the green button, apply here. Click on it, and if you are already a user of this particular organization, you can give your email and password and directly sign in. Now, if you are a new user, give your email ID, which is and then you can register yourself. After registering yourself, you have to upload your resume. There are 4 ways where you can upload your resume. You can upload a file here. So I'll be uploading my file directly. You can choose your file here. Click on resume and then open. After that, click on next. And then you will be directed to the next page, which is the second step, which is the application info, and then fill your names, your middle name, your family name, your preferred first name, whatever it is, and then fill in with the email address. Select your mobile phone, give a valid mobile number because further communication or any of the confirmations might be given to your mobile or to the email ID. So working email ID and mobile number is a must. So if you have a secondary phone, you can give it, and select an option whether they can contact you via SMS. Select your country and then your state, and then write your city. Write a postcode and then if you are looking for an internship, are you a recent or a new graduate level of role? If yes, yes, or if no, you can choose whatever you are up to. And then if you're interested in hearing about further opportunities from this organization, if you're interested, you can say yes, or if you can say no. And what is the area of interest that you are interested in? You can type in all your interests. If you are looking for an analyst, business development, or something like that. What is the highest degree that you have obtained? Your master's. And then your college, whichever college that you have been graduated to. After that, your major, which means what is the core subject that you have graduated to, and then what is the graduation year. After that, what is the grade point? Is it pass, fail, or if you want to check it in percentage wise, or if you want to keep it in GPA, academic performance, you can say first class. And then most recent job title, if you are an employee, or if you are not an employee, if you have done any sort of internship, you can have to present here. All the red marks should be compulsory filled. And next, have you ever been issued a CISCO employee ID card? If yes, yes, or no, you have to mention it very clearly that you have not been any sort of having relationship or not done any of the internship in this organization. If you have done it, just say yes. Certifications, if you have any, just mention it. Select the language which you know, and if you have any sort of skills, technical skills or communication, keep a comma, and then you can put your communication skills as well. Later, how did you hear about? Is it a direct employers and then create your password, whatever password it is, create and then confirm it. After that, agree and continue. This will be further directed to the third step, which is the self-identification step. After filling in that as well, you will be directly moving on to the final submission stage. Check all of the details before submitting and then you can submit it finally. If you have any doubts, place them in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.